Guangdong Shi Precision Industry Company Limited is a manufacturer of connectors combined with product design, production, selling, and service. We are the real source factory. The core parts of the pin jack, plastic structural parts, and metal structural parts are all produced by ourselves. The company's main business involves push-pull/plug self-locking connectors, M8/M12 connectors, new energy vehicle connectors/energy storage connectors, waterproof connectors, circular connectors, aviation plug/sockets, power connectors, data connectors, and other connectors and wiring harness customization products. Our advantages: 1. We are the real source factory. The core components, pin jacks, plastic structural parts, and metal structural parts are all produced by ourselves. 2. We have controlled the quality from the start of the production process. We can trace the quality of the core components back to the material. 3. We have strong design strength. Our R&D chief engineer has over 20 years of experience in connector development, ensuring our research and development capabilities. 4. We have a fast speed of designing new products. Because all the products are produced by ourselves, we can coordinate each process with the fastest way to develop new products to ensure that customers get the products in the fastest time. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with new and old customers, mutual benefit and win-win, improving the level of the industry and creating a better future.